This next tool is one of my favorites because it helps prevent one of the most common sources of errors in Excel, typographic errors. It is called data validation. The data validation tool allows you to create rules for what can be entered into a cell. You can limit entries to whole numbers, dates, or a drop-down list of pre-approved options. Greenleaf Bakery sells more than just a sourdough loaf, right? They also sell other products such as pastries, donuts, and packaged cakes. What if we want our model to be able to calculate costs for any of these products? We can create a drop-down list to select the product and compute the calculation. Here's how we do it. First, let's create a new sheet in our workbook and call it List. This is a great place to store data that will feed our drop-downs. On this sheet, list the bakery's products as follows. Now, back on our inputs sheet, we're going to add a cell for product selection. Click on the cell where you want the drop-down to appear, let's say cell A1. Go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon and click on Data Validation. In the dialog box, under the Allow drop-down, choose List. In the Source box, click the little arrow and navigate to the list sheet you created earlier. In the list sheet, select the range that contains your product names and click on the Collapse button to return to the dialog box. Click OK. And just like that, you have a drop-down menu. Now, no one can make a typo like sourdough loaf that would break all your formulas. It forces a clean, consistent input every time. This is a game changer for making your models user-friendly. It's your turn to try it. Create the new list worksheet, add the product names, and then go to your inputs sheet and create the product selection drop-down menu in cell A1. Great work. Now, your input sheet is complete. You've created a products drop-down list, and you're sure that users will not make a typo that will break your model. To round up this module, we'll structure our formulas for easy reference. We'll do it in the next lesson. See you there.